today's video, me and Nino is going to decorate our Christmas tree. Our
White
first Christmas tree. Now, our Christmas tree is white, of course. And it's cheap too. So we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree. So we have the Christmas tree. We have the foot. We also have some little jingle bells, fandangles, and stuff. We have some, what do you call it? Cardigan.
I have no idea what that is.
Whatever. We have some more ornaments over here. And I got some blue balls.
I know what you have with blue balls.
And some pepper lights, of course. So we have the singing pepper light and just the blinky one. The mint, how do you call it?
So this one sing and the one the door.
Blink.
So the one not blink.
I don't know. Well, we have this blinky. So it's
So
called.
two sets of pepper lights. One that actually make sound and one that don't.
Yes. So we're gonna jump straight into this part. Actually, guys, I'm kinda excited because this is actually what our first Christmas tree together.
Our first Christmas tree together.
Yeah.
Our first Christmas tree together.
Yeah, it was first Christmas tree we have together.
You forgot the one you have one down.
That okay.
Guys, she burnt down a Christmas tree.
We burned down Christmas
Literally.
tree with.
Sorry.
Alright. So
Hold
we're
on,
gonna
hold on. Oh, stop.
No, slender.
Oh,
Slender. Listen.
okay.
So now we're gonna, what we should have done, we should have opened the tree. Let's open it up first.
On the tree, good now.
Open it
Should I
further.
really show you one later?
Maybe in the future we can get a bigger Christmas tree, but this is quite fine. We don't need no bigger than this right now. One down. They always say one down, one up, one down, one up,
Instead of
one down. YouTubers,
the future, which is the one doing one up.
only for YouTubers, do Christmas tree for them channel.
Never heard it.
Well, me as well. What if I YouTube watch that?
The one doing one up.
Yes. Alright people, so this is what the Christmas tree looks like right about now. So we are gonna try look over this some more. Even though it kinda look alright, I don't know, like I never expected it to be so. Someone I think talk to.
Alright. Alright, so the Christmas bush. Wait.
Alright! So where did you?
have no idea.
So, I think the next thing we put on is the pepper light.
Nah, really? What's that?
Pepper light, I was going to put on.
What's the YouTuber you put on?
Pepper light, I was going for the
The ornament?
Anywho, we're gonna put on the pepper light at the moment. Go and try. Get them on it. So try this a bit.
Oh, I didn't. So we did not see us. So I didn't.
So I'm going to show you what it looks like right about now. And you can make it blink, blink.
Alright, so you know what it looks like.
Alright. It's
Actually,
actually long.
4 meter? It's actually longer than 4 meter monitor.
This is long. So, this can actually use the entire tree.
But we have more.
Yeah.
Alright, come.
Stop on bottom.
Yeah, grab it in the tree.
No, I don't see it. You see? You see? No.
Yeah, that's true. It's in the bank here.
No, baby. That's what you're doing. No, so it's string some light, funny. Plug in your. Oh shit.
Ornaments.
Ornaments.
Alright, so I almost finished decorating a Christmas bush. I can do this. Right?
Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna plug in the lights, the Christmas tree or the pepper lights, to let you see what it looks like with the lights and the ornaments together. Nina is gonna plug it in. However, I'm gonna grab the extension right about now and we're gonna plug it in to see what it looks like. Here we go, here we go. Guys, that's the Christmas tree. I am in love with my Christmas tree. Let me know what you think about the Christmas tree in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos you like to see me do next. Alrighty guys. Plug yes up.
I mean, oh, it's on annoying.
I mean, I told us.
How come you know this?
Yeah, and nine. And you can turn it down, so you can turn it up. And then that's it, guys.
Alright, so again, remember to comment in the comment section if you think this is a Christmas tree or a Christmas bush.
So guys, do not follow Annie or Nina Sherrington or my troublemaker. Anywho, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about my mini Christmas tree, not Christmas bush, of course. Drop a comment in the comment section, like the video, share the video, and yeah, I think that's about it. Oh. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Mwah.